In this video, we're going to take a look at using some of the terrain analysis tools to analyze some elevations and slope of our terrain model. So I'm still inside my 3D model here with my infield terrain model that I've created. So I'm going to rotate my view around to the top view, and then we're going to take a look at using some of the terrain analysis tools. So I'm going to go up to the view control here and just click on the top view and zoom out a little bit. I'm going to go up to terrain. I'm going to go to the analysis. And we have a whole bunch of different types of terrain analysis tools available to us here on this panel. I'm going to take a look at analyze between 2 points. It's going to allow us to select our terrain model and then select a starting point and then dynamically just pick any point within inside of the terrain model, and it's going to give us instant feedback with the elevations and the slopes as well as the distance and angle. So you can see it can move my cursor anywhere within inside of the terrain model surface, and it's giving me the elevations and the slopes. Now if I data point, left click, it'll actually draw that slope graphically into the file. So it's kind of handy if you're looking at analyzing your slopes between 2 points. Now the other tool I want to take a look at real quick is the analyze point, and what this one does is just going to analyze a single point. So again, we can go and select our terrain model, and this one here you can see it's displaying the contours, it's displaying the slope, it's displaying the triangle from the terrain model as well as the elevation and the slope. So this one gives you a little bit different results here, different type of analysis. And if you just want to place this graphically in the file, you can do that with just a left click, and it'll place that information into the file. We also have some hydraulic analysis tools. So if we go to Analysis, Hydraulic, we have the Analyze Trace Slope tool, which allows us to trace a path of a drop of water within the selected terrain model. So we could come over here and select our terrain. You can see it shows us the path. And if you use the Alt key on your keyboard, you can toggle between the different trace slope options here. So you can trace up or down in the terrain. And the heads up display gives you the elevations and the elevation difference. And then if you want to place this graphically into the file, then just left click or data point on the screen and it'll place the path. So we have some pretty handy tools here that we can use to analyze the terrain model.